double stops in different keys is really important, because what works in a G major or D major, the really violin-friendly keys, especially in first position, may not work in F major or C major or B flat major or E flat, anything. So you have to watch out for sharp positions versus flat positions, and really don't think they work the same way. They're not. So really important to understand that. This etude offers D minor key with really interesting combination of accidentals and then some flat positions. So yeah, really cool. I highly recommend practicing this one, because you get to kind of see both sides of sweet and sour, kind of, for lack of a better word, intonation here. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoying the videos, and I hope to see you in the next one. And remember, you can join my Patreon or my YouTube membership for supporting of this channel, and I really appreciate your support. This will really help me keep this channel going and provide more quality content for everyone. Thank you so much.